people, this is A Akash of 2016 batch going to announce the world's biggest and good project. Its name is Microbes in Human Welfare Plant. These microbes which are very helpful in our daily life. Example, Prochlorococcus bacteria, which is very essential in the life because it covers almost 20% of the oxygen is produced by photosynthetic bacteria, and its name stands for Prochlorococcus bacteria. Many millions of bacteria are present in a small drop. These are generally hair-like structures. Now I'll start exhibiting my product by step. This product consists of more than 8 features. The first feature is collecting hydrogen from the nature. And this bacteria stand for Staphylococcus and other 4 types of bacteria are present in there. There are Staphylococcus class and spherical, which are long and conical structure bacteria, Staphyl. This bacteria can produce H2 by anaerobic respiration, and this will be collected by the whole chamber. And you can note that for every minute 0.26 wattage is being created in this plant. And when we come to the second, and this chamber consists of Prochlorococcus bacteria. It's a very thin bacteria and which can produce 20% oxygen of the whole world. By creating this type of plants in the streets, which can reduce to 20% of the CO2 and CH4 in the nature. So this plant must be planted for over 20 minutes for every day. And this the down, which consists of many Prochlorococcus bacteria, and the down which is lipid-like structure and which consists of many bacteria which can purify this. And this water consists of many useful minerals. And then you can see a huge pole starting from top to bottom. And this consists of a coal gas. Coal gas which can convert the atmospheric condensation. It can convert water vapor into liquid state. So this vapor state is converted into water and is collected. And many people in the Mumbai, which have been happened in 2016, that many people are facing a water crisis. Why can't my plant create a water for all of them? So by condensation process, for every 2 days there can be 3 drums of water can be fulfilled by every family. And this water which has been obtained can be tested by water pollution test, which is the test is conducted by cyanobacteria test. And it also contains the features that every year 20 to 30% of unemployment can be reduced. And upon the World Summit meeting, which have been taken in 2015, now there is a reduction of 2 degrees temperature by the whole earth, and it must be done within a few days. Otherwise, there is an increase of global temperature by CH4. And a single cell protein, which is present at the bottom, now it can take CH4 for every 20 minutes and convert it into single cell protein. This can be treated for the cattle, and which can reduce for 2 to 6 cows death rate for every day. Thanks, Will, for giving this wonderful opportunity.